Well, getting up the hill is pretty soft. Tried 3 or 4 different times, start digging in. I don't want to get buried again, so I'm kind of tired. See, it says it got warmer, tire pressure creeped up, so I'm gonna go back down to 12 psi. It'll help me get up this hill quite a bit, and it'll get later as I'm doing that, and that snow will firm up. So gonna go let some air out of the tires. Okay, air down a little bit, kind of more than I wanted to in some. We'll see how we get up this hill. Put it in raw mode or select speed or whatever. I think if I stay to the right a little bit, I don't know. Just see, maybe the lower air pressure will take care of the whole thing. Well, we got past the one spot, so it helped, but yeah, I filled those holes in. Shovel marks the spot. This is why it says select speed unavailable. Yeah, you fill the holes in, you just keep going. Yep. Well, that was past where I was. Tent's right there. It works better when I have select speed. Barely got to give enough gas to move. Okay. This snow's been in the sun for a long time today, so it's very soft. Okay. It's flat now. Tent's right there. I gotta go back and get my shovel. Should have it now. Tent's just right there. We got it made. Almost there. Yeah, we got it. Triumphed again. Build a nice big fire. All back. Got some firewood, such as it is, for out here. I want to build a fire. I wonder how far down. I wonder how big of a crater the fire will make if I build it right there. Because I want to cook up my pork chops. Eat those pork chops tonight. Got the Jeep moved away a little bit. I don't want to get embers on it. Definitely gets colder when the sun goes down. Temperature drops quite a bit. Get this fire made in a little while. Start the fire starter. Start both ends. And sit on this paper so it doesn't just sink into the snow. I think it's going. Plus I need some wood out here too. So. Oh, that feels good. Let that get going for a while. This fire's a-blazing now. Gonna cook up some pork chops here in a little bit. As soon as I get a nice coal bed going. Feels good too. That's nice and warm. Tent's freezing cold. I got the fire set up in there ready to go, but I'm not gonna go in there for a while. Start a fire in the warm that place up. That place gets colder than outside. I swear it's like a refrigerator in there. I gotta tend to this fire. Load up those pork chops here in a minute. This is better than going to the gym. You do a lot of work just getting your wood. Got these pork chops all loaded up. I think I'll just kind of start warming them up a little bit here. I could hear those pork chops sizzling. They should be pretty good. Better turn them over. Well, we're back in the tent. Fire's going in the stove. I got quite a bit of wood stacked up there, so that'll last me more than the night. It's pretty warm in here. It's almost too warm. But it's about time to hit the hay, so we'll see everybody in the morning.